Hello and welcome to my channel. K Renee here, and as I promised, I had this third and final Valentine's Day look. Ooh, y'all, I forgot to set it. All right, we're gonna act like I do that at the end of the video. I'm human, guys, just forgive me. Anyway, so yeah, this is the red lip Valentine's Day look. It's more of a classic look with the wing eyeliner, and yeah, there's not much to say about it. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by priming. I'm already cleansed and moisturized. I'm going to be using Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And that is being concentrated in my T-zone, but then I'm gonna work out a little bit from there. All right, that's gonna give you a more smooth base and help your foundation to last longer as well. But we want to go for the smooth base. Okay, and then for foundation today, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This one is 330 Toffee. I'm gonna use a foundation brush to put that all over, and I'm going to mix it with L'Oreal True Match. This is C6 Soft Sable. All right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with my Dermablend Cover Cream. To set that under eye area, I am going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is in 330 Toffee as well. To set the rest of my face, I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Smooth and Set in 355, which is coconut. All right, I'm going to be using the Shape Contour Palette by Style Essentials for my bronzing / contour. All right, and then for my blush, I'm going to be using my Old Faithful right now, the NYX Powder Blush in Dusty Rose. Now, for actually, I'm gonna do my brows first. I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild brow pencil to fill in my brows. All right, so my eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Golden Bronzer Palette per usual. Okay, and I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with that same highlighter. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get into the eyes. But Let me just put a little bit of balm on my lips so that when I'm ready to put my lip color on, my lips will be nice and moisturized and not crusty. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit for the eyes. Okay, welcome in close. Welcome to my face up close. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the eyes, and for the eyes I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York, the 24 karat gold nudes. They look like these. Actually, let me open it up and show you. Okay, so before we get into the eyeshadows, I'm going to prime my eyelids, and for primer I'm going to be using the NYX eyeshadow primer in Skin Tone. Okay, first I'm going to go into the darkest brown in this palette here, but this is so pigmented, guys. So you really, you know what, before I even do that, let me do this. Let me put down a base color. So I'm gonna go into this cream color here and put that all over my eyelid and crease, right up to under the brow bone, so that these colors can blend out a little easier. Okay, then I'm gonna go into that deepest brown and really lightly put that into my crease, because y'all, as you can see, it's very pigmented. So you're gonna wanna blend it out when you're putting it in the crease. Okay, so after putting that deeper color into the crease, now we're gonna go in with a flat shader brush, and if I can, here we go. Now we're gonna go in with a flat shader brush into this light pink shimmery color here and put that on the lower lid. I'm gonna put most of it on the inner 2/3, right up to the crease. Okay, now we're going to go back into that deeper brown, and we're going to put that right on the outer V. And then we are going to blend for our lives. Blend, 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 honey. And you can blend up into the crease as well. Now that we are all blended, we're gonna go back into our highlight color, our highlight powder, and do the inner corner highlight. Now, I'm gonna take an angled brush. My goodness. And we are going to go into this brown shimmery color here. And we're gonna put that on our lower lash line. And then just because that wasn't as dark as I wanted, I will go into that deeper brown that's blended into our crease and put that along the lower lash. Then you can buff it out with any fluffy blender you have, just to add a little definition under there. Now I'm gonna line, and I am going to line, I'm gonna tight line my, my eyes first. Okay, now I'm going to do my wing liner, and I'm going to use Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Troopa. And I'm going to attempt to do a perfect wing. Y'all know how hard this is. Give me a moment. Okay, so the wing liner is done. They are not perfect. They are not twins. They are barely sisters. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not gonna start all over again. When you do it, just, you know, my thoughts and prayers are with you, sister, because it's tough. It's just... Anyway, this one is more what I was going for. This one got a little side tracked. Amen. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on. Okay, so the eye portion is done. Now we're moving on to the lips. And I'm going to line with the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip crayon or lip liner in Berry Red. And then I am going to use as a lipstick the e.l.f. Lipstick in Red Carpet. This is the moisturizing lipstick in Red Carpet. And then just for a little bit of drama, I'm going to put just a lip gloss, like a light pink lip gloss on the center. This is the finished look. So more of a classic winged eyeliner, red lip Valentine's Day look. All right, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for your girl, and connect with me on my social media. And yeah. Oh, if you recreate it, please tag me with K Renee Knows Valentine's Day makeup. K Renee Knows. Just tag me, y'all. You can put whatever you want. I'm not good at this, coming up with it. Just do it. All right. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.